Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, I'm Rahwa.
And I'm Karima.
And hope you guys are staying warm because it's been really cold here.
Because of the weather, we did not have school for 2 weeks.
And that gave us time to study for our upcoming spelling bee competition.
Even though we are in the same competition, me and Rahma still like studying together and preparing for the spelling bee.
We have a set goal to memorize 10 words per day.
We also like to use flashcards. We like this kind because it's easier to handle, and you can just flip it and you can take it wherever you go. Like someone else's house, the car, the bathroom.
What?
The best thing about having a twin is that we don't have to ask one of our parents to test us or anything. We can just ask each other.
Yeah, like one of us is watching TV, I'm like, Karima, spell that word! She's like, Rahma, spell that word!
Everywhere we go, we have our spelling list, and so we ask each other at random times.
How many words do you know, Karima?
More than you!
No, seriously, like what's the number?
110.
Cool, me too. Let me ask you some. Okay, I'm gonna give you the hard one.
No!
Yes.
No.
Okay, spell innuendos.
What's the word?
Innuendos. We learned it.
INNU ENDOES.
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, let me give you another word. I'm gonna give you one hard one and an easy one. So this is the easy one. Spell funeral.
FUNERAL.
Can you say that again?
FUNERAL.
Okay, yeah, good job.
No, SL. Inflammatory.
INFLAMMATORY.
Yay! One more. Okay, I'll give you accomplishment. That one's easy.
She lost. No, that doesn't count. Okay, accomplishment. ACOMM.
No. No. No, that's not right.
No, just one M.
No, either way you spelled it wrong.
ACOM. PLISH.
Okay, let me tell you this one.
MENT.
ACC.
Oh.
OMPLISHMENT. That's like that's number 5.
Okay, well, what number are we on? Like 110?
Exactly.
How am I supposed to remember? Okay, I'll review it. Okay?
Yay! So I'm guessing I won.
Good luck winning that trophy, Karima.
Same to you. Thank you guys for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram.
At RKTwinLife.
Yeah. Good luck to me for the spelling bee.
No, because she.
I think we have a high chance.
Yeah, because there's only like 6 people in our class.
So
7. We will keep you posted.